चोदयित्री सूनृतानां चेतन्ती सुमतीनां यज्ञं दधे सरस्वती। उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत प्राप्य वरान् निबोधत क्षुरस्य धारा निशिता दुरत्यया दुर्गम पथः तत्कवयो वदन्ति। वेदिकायाम् अलङ्कुर्वाणः पंकजी महोदयाः, श्रीवत्स महोदयाः, ममता महोदया अत्र पुरस्तात् उपविष्टाः ज्येष्ठाः पदाधिकारिणः उत्तिष्ठ भारत राष्ट्रीय सत्रस्य समायोजकाः, इस विशाल राष्ट्र के विविध प्रत्यंग से आए हुए प्रतिनिधि गण, this is very much highly motivating factor here, that I am in the midst of youngest organizers on the dais. First of all, this senior scenario inspires me to be in the midst of you all here. It will be a rare scene where on the dais young minds will be representing, and they will be at the helm of affairs, sharing their thoughts. Here in this university, our Adhisthatra Devata Vivekananda hai. Why Vivekananda? Because he embodies Viveka and Ananda. Viveka is that value which is scientifically rooted, spiritually oriented. Ananda is that human value which makes you Ananda suffused, bliss suffused. We want that education which is spiritually rooted, which makes you young people, you and I, individually vibrant, which makes we all emotionally patriots, which makes all of us very much aggressive in the construction of this nation. Ultimately, our learning activity must lead us to become Ananda suffused. Shobhate asya mukham ya evam veda. One who knows his face must bloom with smile. That is the outcome of every learning activity. This is the essence of Upanishad-based education of this land. Now we have great challenges. Why we must uttishtha? What is that methodology to be adopted for awakening this sleeping, drowsy society? Apparently it appears that our society, it is sleeping. It is too much drowsy. But inherently it is not like that. As that darkness becomes thicker and thicker early in the morning at 2 o'clock, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., we feel that now it is full of dark. What will be the culmination of this journey of darkness? Everywhere it is dark. But when we start thinking negatively on this line, depressed, disgusted, just if we look at that eastern direction, that ray, golden ray of sun god will be spreading, discarding that thickest darkness. That is the real power of positivity we young people develop. Now it appears it is full of darkness, but this thick darkness paves the way for the dawn. That golden dawn, where golden rays are spreading, discarding all inner and outer darknesses. We are on that march now. That is why in the remembrance of Vivekananda, the whole world is coming together. We must go for that awakening. How this awakening? We have to draw inspiration from the Upanishad. Now we are living in this scientifically vibrating society, technologically advancing society. Yes, we must accept. We must accept and march forward. But what is the science? Our rishis, they have given wonderful concept of science. If we don't know that real concept of science, we will not be scientifically oriented, scientific people. Now, first of all, we must know the concept of science. The great scientist of this land, Vijay Bhatkar, was here to take part in our Diksha Vidhi, convocation of this S. Vyasa University on 12th of January. It was a golden opportunity to share his knowledge for the students of this university, Yoga University. He gave the real concept of that science. What is that science? Which is spiritually rooted. That becomes science. Here in this university, great scientists like George Sudarshan from Texas, they also come and take part in very free discussion sessions here. All those so-called great scientists, quantum physicists, they come together, 15 to 20 such scientists, they sit here in this university, think about the latest scientific theories. That is the greatness of this S. Vyasa. Here Vyasa and Vivekananda both are cogently combined. That spiritual understanding of Vyasa and wonderful scientific spiritual understanding of Vivekananda, both are combined. That is how best of the East and best of the West are cogently blended together here. So, men like George Sudarshan, he studies here Brahma Sutra. You young people must know.